Hi everybody, welcome back to the Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz. That's Jack over there.
Are you feeling seasonal yet?
Yes, we're very Christmassy. I got my best Christmas eye patch going. So, I saw this recipe online and I want to try this out. I'll probably put a link down in the doobly-doo or whoever did it because it was really cool. But I want to try it and I'm terrified my hand's going to end up green and horrible. But we're going to do these Christmas wreath candy things. They're really cool looking and I want to try it, but it sounds like it's dangerous because we're going to have to melt some marshmallows and that's just liquid napalm, man. That's not cool. So before we get into it, be sure to like, share, subscribe, ring the little bell and stuff. It should be here, I believe. And again, if I know we cover it all the time, but if you need the full recipe for this and all the ingredients list, we're going to put it down in the doobly-doo and any kind of links you're going to need to anything we're going to do there. And let's get into it. So this one's really straightforward, right? It's going to need some cornflakes, like 5 cups of it. Some red hots. You're only going to need like a handful of them, even though lady I said like 70 something. Think of these mini marshmallows, a whole stick of butter, and some preferably green food coloring. So get your thing, your small or medium to large size thing. Go ahead and do half a stick of butter in here. And you're going to go ahead and turn this fire on, but you're going to turn it down as far as possible. Just as low simmer. Because you don't want to burn this stuff. You want it to melt. This is a very much waiting game. You got to sit in here and let the butter and the marshmallows melt. Once they start, then it's pretty good.
Just stab it like a crazy psycho, right?
Yeah, well, it was outsmarting me. Couldn't happen very well. So just put your marshmallows and your butter in there, and then you're going to keep stirring it. Like get you a big spatula thing. Still haven't got the name for that thing yet. And then stir it around. Like it's going to be a little while. Like you can probably cut up the butter, make it a little smaller, make it a little faster, but don't turn your heat up because you don't want to burn this stuff, right?
Yeah, your marshmallows burn easy.
So just keep those going. Just keep it stirring. I know it takes forever. It took like 30, 40 minutes or something for it to do that. And we had to just keep starting it. Like you see, starting to break down, starting to get all squishy and turn it into one big uniform pile of
goo.
Yeah, marshmallow, cream, floof stuff, whatever. When you're waiting to break down into like the actual full liquid, that's why you put the butter in there. If you have like a double boiler, this probably would help. But
probably.
No, we don't, so we just put it in here and just kept stirring. Made me feel like I was doing something. Again, this is one that makes your forearms and your hands just a straight workout. You're not making up for all the sugar you're about to eat. So you see it's starting to melt down, break down in there.
It looks like natto almost, but white. It's that fermented soybean stuff that the Japanese like.
Gross.
It is gross.
But, so once you get it down where it's just starting to melt, go ahead and put in your food coloring. Make sure that green cap isn't actually blue. Because then it's going to have blue wreaths. So then I found some yellow stuff thanks to Squire Letty, and we made this 60s Art Deco green
seafoam color.
Hey, it works. I mean, it's green, right? Like it's not like super bright. Then put 5 cups of it right in top of it. Now this is going to look absolutely horrible. And it takes forever. You got to stir it. Just keep stirring. You're going to be breaking some of the cornflakes. It happens. But you're going to try to get as much green covered onto everything. And it starts solidifying. Go ahead and turn your fire off at this point once you add the cornflakes. And it'll start cooling off, and it starts coating them and kind of getting them sticky. Now,
that looks horrible.
How do you describe that texture?
This is squishy yet crunchy. Like, all right, there's your hand. My hand was cramping up really horrible because it's so thick and so goopy. Now, I tried latex gloves because I didn't want this stuff to stick on me, so I had to put on the hand condoms here and went ahead and tried this. Well, it doesn't work. Like, I'm just gonna let you know. You reach in here, you grab a big pile of it, you're gonna try to make like a little ball out of it, and it just sticks to every point of that latex. This is absolutely horrible and a waste. Don't do this. Somebody told us this was a good idea. It's not. This is a horrible idea. So the best way to counteract that is either get you some non-cook spray and just put it directly on your hands, or like Letty found out, and use like olive oil. Coat your hands in between each one, kind of make a little ball, and it won't stick to you. Well, it'll stick to you eventually, but it's going to keep needing to be reapplied. So me and Square, Letty here, trying to show you how to. I made a really big one, kind of formed it into a kind of rough circle.
Letty's making the small one.
And Letty makes the little ones, and those are Just kind of poke a hole in them. And then you get the red hots, the cinnamon candies, and you put them on, boom, like that. Jack took off the part where he was adding the cinnamon candies to it.
Yeah, it was unnecessary.
Take them when you're done, stick them in the refrigerator, let them cool, or put them in the freezer for like 5 minutes. And these are outstanding. They taste really good. They're super cheap. Like if you got kids and you don't mind them getting their hands oily, this is something great to make at the house. And like I said, it tastes great. It's just like marshmallows.
Oh, the kids
and
love
butter,
to do this one.
And cinnamon, so it's great. So there you go. So there you have it. One of the messiest things we've made. Super cheap, taste outstanding, and there's a bunch of it. Thanks, and a special shout out for Lady for coming in and loaning us her hands to be able to put those together, because they were just sticking to me. I couldn't do it no matter how much oil I put on me. So we'll see you next time. You can find us here on YouTube all the time, but we upload Tuesdays and Fridays. Be sure to ring the bell and you'll get notifications when we upload. You can find us at Instagram at Living Between, or on Facebook and Pinterest and Patreon if you want to help us out. You appreciate it. But you can find us on those at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen, and we'll see you next time.